Hello again. Sorry for not posting a video last week. It's been a very busy week, but I've managed to come out today. What I'm planning to do is to show you how I photograph small birds. So how I prepare the set, how I put branches, I put peanuts out, where do I stand, how I compose my shots, and it's a bit late and hopefully we do get some activity, but yeah, let's get cracking. Cool. So this is the location where I'm gonna plan to put some peanuts out and attract some birds, probably on the top piece here, because I also get a nice background and the light, it's coming pretty nice down here, and also we avoid all the cluster of the cars that's behind us. This is the busiest I've ever seen this place. So the birds are literally landing next to me. I've managed to take some photos on my phone. I don't know if you can see them. I might actually try to see if one's gonna land in my hand. So I'll go and grab some peanuts. Grab some peanuts and let's see if we get anything. There are a few coal tits coming in. Right, so we've put the peanuts out, and as you can see, the birds are already come in. And oh, 2 woodpeckers. Oh, that's nice. So what I'll do is take the camera and just stand still somewhere here, because I get a nice background, and I'll walk you through the settings. So let's go. So because it's quite dark today, there's been a foggy weather for the last few days. The setting I'm using, if you've seen my previous video, it's saved on C2, so static birds. But to give you an idea of what those settings are, it's 1/500th of a second with f4, so maximum aperture. ISO somewhere around 3200, 4000, because it's set on auto. That's the value usually stands. So in terms of composition, the way we have the dead tree in here, it's important to look for branches that stand out and give you a clear background. So what you try to avoid is clusters like this. So if you have a bird here, it's quite clustered, but if you have a bird perch up here, that's where it makes the difference, and this is how you actually get a very good photo, because shooting out wide open, the background is all blurred, and I still have the birds fighting down here. Yeah, so the background, it's blurred, and with the few leaves that are remaining in the trees, you get a very nice autumny background. So to show you what clustered means, for example, we have a blue tit, which is here, and as you can see, I have a really nice background. But if you look at the coal tit down here, now it's in a good position. If you look at this marsh tit here, see it's quite a clustered image. Even if the bird pops the head out, it's still quite clustered. You do get the idea. So if you can have a minimalistic photo, so less cluster, less obstructions in the photo, you have a clear, nice object which is very detached from the background. That's a good photo. There are certain situations in which you want that clustered image, in which you have an environmental photo, so you want to get the environment of the actual species in the photo. But mainly, if you want to take a good photo of a subject, it's really nice to separate it from the background and avoid clustering. A very good place where you can actually practice photographing birds, it's actually your back garden. I have tons of photos of the sparrows in my garden. But also, if you want to go out and explore or walk a bit, a very good place like this, you can see birds are coming in. It's Denny Woods in New Forest. This is where I am now. And the birds are extremely tame. You've seen one landed in my hand. And you can come here and spend a few hours and practice your photography. Another good thing is to study the species you want to photograph, so you kind of understand its behavior, the environment where it lives, so you can actually set expectations of what species you can photograph when you go into a new location. Another important fact, another important bit when you photograph birds, it's bring some food. I use peanuts. It's the favorite food for loads of tits and especially woodpeckers. I've never failed in actually getting a woodpecker when I came here with peanuts, and came really close. And you've probably seen in the previous video when I first came out with the Olympus camera. If no, you can go and check it out. And yeah, for example, if you want to photograph robins, make sure you bring mealworms. But if you want a huge variety of birds, just go and grab a bag of mixed seeds or peanuts. They never fail. This is the main reason I like this place. So this is where we did our photographs. And the reason I choose that place, it's because it was quite busy when I arrived. But now, majority of people left. If you've seen, if you check my first day out with the Olympus, it was actually filmed here, so you can actually see what you can get. But yeah, the reason why I like this place, it's literally, you're parked here. You can take photos of the birds from your car. So, park your car here, take brilliant photos down here. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Sam and I do wildlife photography and videography lately. I use the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III with a 300mm lens. I've switched from Canon. I've posted a video so you can go and check it out. I do mention the settings, so in my videos we discuss the settings while I go in nature reserve and photograph birds, and not only birds. Today I'm trying a new setup for filming the vlogs, so hopefully it's a better quality. Please let me know down in the comments if it's better than my previous videos, and yeah, next video I'll mention and I'll show you what I'm actually using. So yeah, please subscribe and like this video, and go and check out the other videos, and I'll see you next week.